No, I can't take one more step towards you, 'cause all that's waiting is regret. Don't you know I'm not your ghost anymore? You lost the love I love the most. Learn to live half a life. Now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your job hearts and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, and don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? You're asking all around if I am anywhere to be found, but I have grown too strong to ever fall back in your arms. I learned to live half a life. Now you want me one more time. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your job hearts and tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? And it took so long just to feel alright. Remember how to put back the light in your eyes. I wish I had missed the first time that we kissed, 'cause you broke all your promises, and now you're back. You won't get to get me back. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your job hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me, and don't come back at all. And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars, collecting your job hearts, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul, so don't come back for me, and don't come back at all. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? The next song is going to be I Will Give Up by Jason Mraz. I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky. All I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you find, to see what you find. 'Cause even the stars, they burn, and some even fall to the earth. And we've got a lot to learn, and God knows we're worth it. No, I won't give up. Well, I don't wanna be someone who walks away so easily. I'm here to stay and make the difference that I can make. I didn't persist to do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts we got. Yeah, we got a lot at stake. And in the end, you still my friend. At least we didn't intend for us to work. We didn't break, we didn't burn. We had to learn how to bend without the world caving in. I had to learn what I got and what I'm not, and who I am. And I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. I won't give up on us. God knows sometimes He knows. Yeah, we've got a lot to learn, and God knows we're worth it. I won't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up. My next song was Lighthouse by Lucy Spraggin. You're going to have to bear with me because I only learned it last night on the way here. You've got the chorus lyrics on your tables if you want to join in. It's really catchy. I might need them lyrics, I probably won't remember it. Oh, you did great earlier. Right, hold on. Oh, I'm so sorry.
We've only played it through once.
Yeah, we only did it once today. So sorry. Once before. Got it? Right, go on.